Could I please request our producers to join them?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, please remain seated. Okay, members of the media, we're going to open the session for Q&A, but even I have some questions that I'd like to ask. So, just another few seconds before we open the floor for Q&A.
Thank you.
Now, we all know that this is a hat trick in the genre of horror. So, can you elaborate a little on the horror quotient in this movie?
I have mine. It's a very scary film. It is the scariest film of my three till now. This is honestly, I mean, I also do get startled sometimes, scared when I see my own, while I'm doing the post-production. It is the scariest film I made till now. And because I remember Ragini, people said it was not very scary. It was more, this is very, very scary. So fingers crossed, this will be a hat trick of hits, like I say.
Fantastic. Okay, now this is one question that I've been wanting to ask Karan since the time I've entered here. So, you know, in TV, we've seen you as a romantic actor. You've done characters which are romantic. So why horror?
See, as an actor and as a person, I'm not genre biased. So it's not something that I think before I decide what to do next. It's true that people have seen me and want to see me in a more romantic kind of a genre, but it's an excellent script. That's why this. It's not because of the genre.
Fantastic. And now, not one, but a lot of people refer to you as a horror queen. So what do you think of this?
Well, I really don't know how to react to this. Yes, I think I've done like 60 films, and I have done equal number in all genres. But yes, of late I have done a lot of supernatural films in the horror genre. My thing is, you know, I want to do films that give me roles that excite me and entertain the audiences and something new to do. And that's it. That's the way I look at it. There's no really plan that I wanted to be a horror queen. But yes, it's a genre which has not been encouraged much in our business. And it definitely can get a lot of eyeballs. And it's very entertaining to watch in the theaters. And worldwide, it's a big business. So definitely this business needs more credible people coming forward and pushing this genre. And if I'm the sole crusader #1, then I enjoy it. You know, it's fine. You call me horror queen, I'm good with it as long as you watch my film and get entertained.
Fantastic. Members of the media, we are opening the session for Q&A. So if you have questions.
Bipasha, to your left here. To your left. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
Here.
Yeah,
Can you see me?
she sees you.
I see you now.
Yeah, you see me now. I can see you now. What a trailer, Bipasha. Both scary as well as sexy. It's after a long time we are seeing you in this bold avatar. Can we say that the Bipasha Basu of Jism is back?
Well, I said this initially. Somebody had asked me during, like, some time back. Yes, it's quite an interesting role because I get to play two people in one film. So there's a kind of a switch that I have to have. And it's a love story. It's very passionate. It is definitely the horror genre. It's going to scare you, but it revolves around a love story. It's a love story between a man, woman, and a ghost. So that's very sexy. Like I said, you know, sexy is the new scary. And yeah, you will see a lot of passion, a lot of love in this film. And yes, it is definitely going to be my boldest film that I've ever done, yeah, till now.
We didn't see the sexy aspect in Creature 3D, so why was it injected in this movie?
Well, it's a part of the script. This is a love story. So it's not injected. It is the the germ of the film. You know, the film is a love story. So Creature, you know, I couldn't really romance the creature. It was tough.
Hi, Bipasha. Urvi here, to your left again.
Okay. Yeah, hi.
Hi. Off late, you accepted that you're doing horror films. Do you think you're being typecast as?
Yes, ma'am. This business is all about typecasting. You guys, everybody wants to typecast. You know, when you talk about the biggest of actors, whether it's Salman Khan, whether it's Akshay Kumar, everybody seems to be doing their same kind of films. So everyone's typecast. And if the audiences want to see you that way, then definitely you can't take that away from them. So you have to give them what they want to see you as. And at the same time, you know, you have your own creative juices flowing as an actor, and you decide that you want to do some different kind of projects at times. So you need to keep a balance of both. So it's okay to be stereotyped here, because, you know, we make very few very different films. You know, and my intention is to be a part of those films, and if horror genre is going to give me that podium, I'm going to lap it up.
हुसैन पटेल से मेरा सवाल है, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन। इसमें अलोन कौन बना और फिल्म का टाइटल है अलोन रखने का रीजन क्या है?
कौन बना?
आप पिक्चर देखें,
अलोन कौन बना?
फिर हम सवाल का जवाब देंगे। अलोन बहुत लोग बनते हैं, मैं भी अलोन था काफी पिक्चर बनाने तो समय नहीं, बट अलोन जब आप पिक्चर देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि अलोन क्यों और कौन। अभी मैं बता दूंगा तो शायद मजा किरकिरा हो जाए पिक्चर का। And to everyone, you know, honestly, just 1 second, I want to say about the horror queen part. As being a horror filmmaker myself, I made 3. If people like me who make horror films need a star in a film, none of the stars do horror films except for this lady here. She is the only star amongst ladies, amongst the women, the lady actors who actually has the balls to do a horror film. So, I mean, why not? And it's kudos to her. And Ajay Devgan is, apart from her, Ajay is the only person who's done a horror film. I wonder why the stars don't do the horror films. But if this girl here does horror films, then I'm very happy, and she is my horror queen for sure. Yeah.
Karan, how was it? Yeah, Karan, yeah.
Hi. Hi.
How was it romancing the sexy, bold Bipasha on screen? Did you get intimidated by her on your own?
Did I get intimidated?
100 points to you. Did I intimidate you?
Oh, it was
Your own, I said.
once in a lifetime kind of experience. It's very close to what people call divine. Let me see. Intimidated? No, I wasn't intimidated by her. But it's. What was the question again? Romancing her, yeah. Close to divine. That's what I'll stick to that. No, I try not to pick up any leaves from any real lives.
Kumarji, what was the reason जो हमें dress code black और red का कहा था? What was the reason behind that? And we're not seeing the main lead in black or red.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था, अभिषेक भूषण जी और मैंने, कि हम लोग ब्लैक पहन के आएंगे।
The press was told to wear black.
या ब्लैक क्योंकि फिल्म हॉरर है और जॉनर हुआ है, इसलिए ब्लैक बोला गया था स्पेशल।
Or red?
For the blood, man. There's a lot of blood. And plus, I just realized these seats are also red, so maybe to combine that.
My question to Hussain ji, sir, in terms of actors, we mostly say that typecasting. So in terms of filmmaking, you don't think that you are typecasting your filmmaking skills because you all 3 films have horror genre. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, well, you're right. You know, even I had thought about this before I made my 3rd film. In fact, I went to my ex-boss, my senior in the film industry, and before doing Alone, ये मैं पहले भी कह चुका हूँ, अभी वापस कह रहा हूँ कि I told my boss, okay, sir, I don't want to do any more horror because 1920 Evil Returns बन गई, रागिनी बना दी मैंने, अब मैं horror बनाऊंगा तो मैं typecast हो जाऊंगा, मैं लोग बोलेंगे कि ये साला this person makes only horror films, is a horror film maker, मेरा नाम पड़ जाएगा, मेरा के नेम हो जाएगा, नाम ये पड़ जाएगा मेरा। तो उन्होंने कहा मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह से कि बेटा एक नाम बना लो पहले, फिर सोचना इसके बारे में। तो हॉरर फिल्म मेकर का नाम अगर एक हिट हॉरर फिल्म बना सकता हूं मैं, दिस इज गुड इनफ, इट गिव्स मी एन एंट्री इनटू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, एंड नाउ होपफुली ऑडियंसेस एंड द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री विल अलाउ मी टू मेक समथिंग एल्स, क्योंकि और भी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं मेरे पास। लेकिन क्यों नहीं हॉरर फिल्म यार, हॉरर फिल्म कौन बनाता है? विक्रम और मेरा दोस्त है, मेरा मेंटोर है, उसके अलावा और मैं ही तो बनाते हैं जो हॉरर फिल्म्स हैं, तो क्यों नहीं हॉरर, व्हाई नॉट? आपको पसंद नहीं हॉरर? हाँ तो देखिए, अगर मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा तो आप क्या देखेंगे फिर?
You might be the horror king.
हॉरर किंग नहीं, ऐसा मत करो, ये हॉरर किंग ये है, क्वीन ये है, मैं पीछे खड़ा रहता हूँ बीरबल की तरह।